What's up guys, I'm here to report you about the preparations of insulin. Insulin was originally derived from the pancreases of cows and pigs. Animal-sourced insulin is made from preparations of beef or pork pancreases and has been used safely to manage diabetes for many years. Today's manufacturers are primarily concerned with the production and sale of recombinant or biosynthetic human insulin. As a result, the use of animal insulin has decreased. For its standard preparation, it contains 20, 40 and 80 units of insulin in 1 milliliter of the injection. The absorption rate of insulin and its duration of action can be affected by its physical state, such as its proportion, solution, or suspension, and its route of administration. Be aware that a higher rate of insulin absorption can also means a higher risk of hypoglycemia. This factor can be considered when choosing or taking insulin shots. This diagram shows that the effectiveness of insulin and may differ on its solutions. For example, the protamine zinc and globin of zinc insulin are effective for 48 and 24 hours. But the plain insulin is effective on for 8 hours, and the lenti insulin is much longer for its effectiveness that lasts 18 to 20 hours duration. Human insulin, or known as humulin, is a DNA recombinant-derived preparation of insulin. The recombinant DNA is a technology that scientists developed that made possible to insert a human gene into the genetic material of a common bacterium. This recombinant microorganism could now produce the protein encoded by the human gene. There are many special devices that can be used in insulin shots. These are syringes, pen devices, inhalation, pumps, and inflatable preparations. Insulin has many uses in animals. The following are: first, in dogs, treatment involves the use of insulin twice daily, along with the change in diet to help manage obesity and insulin resistance. Next, acetonemia in cattle. Insulin is a powerful antiketotic agent. It is particularly useful in ketosis that occurs within the first week of lactation and is non-responsive to glucose therapy alone. And last, pregnancy toxemia in sheep. This is the result of a negative energy balance and the metabolism of fat. Typically, they are overweight and become anorexic.
Thank you for watching.